Welcome to our channel. The prospect of artificial intelligence, AI, governing local communities presents a fascinating and complex scenario that raises numerous considerations regarding decision-making, ethics, and community engagement. As AI technologies continue to advance, their potential application in governance and public administration becomes increasingly plausible. This video explores the implications of AI governance in local communities, examining the potential benefits and challenges associated with decision-making processes, ethical considerations, and the importance of community engagement. At its core, the idea of AI governance involves the use of algorithms, machine learning, and data analytics to inform and automate decision-making processes within local governments. Proponents argue that AI can enhance efficiency, reduce human bias, and improve the overall quality of governance. For instance, AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data to identify trends, optimize resource allocation, and predict community needs. This data-driven approach could lead to more informed and effective decision-making, enabling local governments to respond proactively to challenges such as public health crises, infrastructure needs, and social services. One of the primary benefits of AI governance is its potential to improve efficiency in local administration. AI systems can streamline bureaucratic processes, automate routine tasks, and enhance service delivery. For example, AI-powered chatbots can handle citizen inquiries and provide information on public services, freeing up human resources for more complex tasks. Additionally, AI can assist in data analysis for urban planning, traffic management, and public safety, enabling local governments to make data-informed decisions that enhance the quality of life for residents. However, the integration of AI into governance also raises significant ethical considerations. One of the foremost concerns is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. If the data used to train AI systems reflects existing societal biases, the resulting decisions may perpetuate inequalities and discrimination. For instance, predictive policing algorithms that rely on historical crime data may disproportionately target marginalized communities, leading to unjust outcomes. To mitigate these risks, it is essential to implement robust mechanisms for auditing and monitoring AI systems to ensure fairness, transparency, and accountability. Another ethical consideration is the question of accountability in AI governance. When decisions are made by algorithms, it can be challenging to determine who is responsible for those decisions. In cases where AI systems make errors or produce harmful outcomes, identifying accountability becomes complex. This raises important questions about the role of human oversight in AI governance. It is crucial to establish clear lines of responsibility and ensure that human decision-makers remain engaged in the governance process, even when AI systems are utilized. Community engagement is a critical component of effective governance, and its significance does not diminish in the context of AI governance. Engaging citizens in the decision-making process is essential for fostering trust, transparency, and accountability. AI systems should be designed with community input to ensure that they reflect the values, needs, and priorities of local residents. This can involve soliciting feedback on AI applications, conducting public consultations, and involving community representatives in the development and implementation of AI governance strategies. Moreover, educating the community about AI technologies and their implications is vital for fostering informed engagement. Many citizens may have limited understanding of how AI systems work and their potential impact on governance. Providing accessible information and resources can empower residents to participate meaningfully in discussions about AI governance, ensuring that their voices are heard and considered in decision-making processes. The potential for AI to enhance community engagement also exists. AI-driven platforms can facilitate communication between local governments and residents, enabling more efficient feedback mechanisms and participatory decision-making. For example, AI tools can analyze public sentiment from social media, surveys, and community forums, providing local leaders with insights into the concerns and preferences of their constituents. This data-driven approach can help governments better understand community needs and tailor services accordingly. Despite the potential benefits of AI governance, challenges remain in its implementation. Issues related to data privacy and security are paramount, as AI systems often rely on large datasets that may include sensitive personal information. Ensuring the protection of citizen data and maintaining privacy will be critical for building trust in AI governance. Local governments must establish strong data governance frameworks that prioritize data security, transparency, and ethical use of information. Additionally, the digital divide poses a challenge to equitable AI governance. Not all community members may have equal access to technology or digital literacy skills, which can create disparities in participation and engagement. To address this issue, local governments must prioritize initiatives that promote digital inclusion, ensuring that all residents have access to the tools and resources necessary to engage with AI governance effectively. In conclusion, the prospect of artificial intelligence governing local communities presents a range of opportunities and challenges related to decision-making, ethics, and community engagement. While AI has the potential to enhance efficiency and improve governance, it also raises important ethical considerations, including bias, accountability, and data privacy. Community engagement remains essential for ensuring that AI systems reflect the values and needs of residents. By fostering transparency, inclusivity, and informed participation, local governments can harness the benefits of AI governance while mitigating its risks. As society moves toward an increasingly digital future, the integration of AI into governance will require careful consideration, collaboration, and a commitment to ethical principles that prioritize the well-being of all community members.